How to transfer photos and videos from your laptop to iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer photos and videos from your PC to your iPhone. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that your iPhone and then your PC are connected. Now, to connect them, what you can do is you can simply use a data cable. After you do that, head over to your folders, head over to this PC. So let us head over to this PC, and in this PC you should find the Apple iPhone. Now tap on this and open this up. Now you will see the internal storage here. Open this up and here you will see your files, your folders, and all of your photos and whatnot. So to simply transfer your photos, all you need to do is you can just copy the photo from your PC and simply copy this and then head over to a folder and then paste it right here. So you can paste it, you can use your keys too, or you can use your shortcut keys. So I'll just do that. And after you do that, your photos will get pasted. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.